What are you doing?
Right, we need to bring you up to speed on the ball saga. You know Eric, he loves his balls. Well, the first part of this video was filmed before the Christmas tree was put up.
Eric, where is the ball? You don't know? Any idea? Hold on. I may have a solution. Eric. Pink or yellow? Which would you like? No, that's my thumb. Yellow? Ready? You ready? Or pink? You prefer the pink? Pink ball? Yeah? Is it as good as the green ball? Oh, now you've got two. Oh! Now you've got two to choose from, Eric. Oh my goodness. That's gone under the settee already. It's under the settee. Eric! It's under the settee, man. I think you're in a better position to get it than I am. You're smaller than me. Under here, look. It's under there. The pink ball. It's under there. Can you go and get it? Where's that ruler gone? There we are. This is already soaking wet. Yellow ball? Yeah, yellow ball. You've got two to choose from now.
And then what happened in the days that followed? Eric managed to lose both of those balls too. Yes, in just over a month of having them, all 4 balls gone missing. Clearly, as a household, we cannot be trusted with them.
What are you doing? What have you found, Eric? What have you found? I can get that out of there for you. Hold on. Yes. See, there was a good reason for you helping me putting the Christmas decorations up. One trusty ruler. Eric! I found the yellow ball. Ready? That was the yellow ball. The yellow ball. Not the green one, no. Yellow. Yellow ball. Yay. One of your balls is back. Okay. Oh, I don't know if this is a good idea. Oh, we're trying to put the lights up. Oh, I'm so pleased you're happy.